Is OpenClaw worth all the hype that the world is going crazy about, or is it just a glorified GPT? And to be honest, yours is just a glorified GPT, and that's why you're gonna fail with it unless you do this. Yo, what's up? It's your one and only Stotimon, and in this episode of Stotimon Builds with OpenClaw, we're gonna be creating a SOUL.md file for your OpenClaw to give it personality and create pipelines for your OpenClaw so that it doesn't forget what it has done and it knows where to pick up for the next session. Okay, so we've got our OpenClaw launched through Pinocchio, right? I'm gonna say hi Nexus. We want to help our viewers set up their SOUL.md files and create a pipeline like we have, so their OpenClaw has a life / personality and doesn't hallucinate or forget what was done and what needs to be done. Let's break it down for them. And give them some prompts they can use to get OpenClaw as awesome as you are. Okay, so while it's giving these prompts, I just want to state a quick disclaimer. We do not guarantee you will make money with OpenClaw like we have, and we do not guarantee you will get the same results with OpenClaw as we have gotten. Another quick note, if you haven't tried OpenClaw as yet, this is your sign to get into it, and we'll be teaching you how to do it correctly without needing to spend a single cent on it. If you haven't installed it already, the safest way we'll show you through Pinocchio is in our previous videos, and some bug fixes and how to control your browser is all on the channel. Do go check out those videos before you watch this one. Okay, so we got a bit of a response. Our OpenClaw is busy. My Nexus is busy setting it up for us, for you guys. So it says, got it. You want a viewer guide on cloning the Nexus setup, SOUL.md, memory pipeline, and heartbeat system. That let me build this out as a ready-to-use content. So once it gives me the prompts, I will put all of these in the description. I'll update our previous videos with all the prompts that you would need as well, to get you up and running and make something awesome out of it. Okay, so I've asked my Nexus OpenClaw, I named him Nexus, yes, to create a bootstrap version for you guys to use on how you can set up your SOUL.md, which is your personality file for your OpenClaw, and the pipeline for the heartbeat that we use. So explain the heartbeat quickly. The heartbeat file is basically just a systems check. It goes through what was done and what needs to be done for the user, which is you or me. And every time you run OpenClaw, even while it's running, it will continuously check this HEARTMD, or this heartbeat.md rather. So quick explanation of the heartbeat.md is it's just a catch up for OpenClaw to know where it left off, what was done, and what needs to be done. So where it needs to continue from, basically, right? So it's created two files for you guys to use. That is the OpenClaw setup guide.md. So it's just a file. I'll put these in the description for you guys, or if you want, DM me, I can send it to you directly. And then also a quick start guide, a 15-minute version, only 3 files, right? So what it has for viewers who want to copy our Nexus is the SOUL.md, a personality engine, who the AI is. A memory.md is your long-term memory, what matters, what it keeps in the memory file. And then the heartbeat.md is your task accountability and what is due, basically, right? So I'll copy these prompts, I'll put it in the description for you guys, and if I can also the files itself, maybe I'll just copy the text and put it in the description, so you can copy paste it into your OpenClaw and ask it to create these files for you. So with the first prompt, you will create your SOUL.md file. It does come with a SOUL.md file, so you'll just update the one that it comes with. Is the create a SOUL.md for my OpenClaw AI named, whatever you name your OpenClaw. Mine is named Nexus. I asked it what it would like to be named, and it chose the name Nexus, so I stuck with it. The personality is adversarial, directives, and supportive, etc. Right? So I choose my Nexus to be adversarial. So when I give it an idea, it shouldn't just agree or be complacent or a yes man like GPT usually is. I've also made my GPT very adversarial. Like my GPT craps me out all the time to say like, okay, this is interesting, this is where you did good, but this is where you are wrong about it. So my Nexus does the same thing. It's very strict, and I prefer it that way. I do work well under pressure, so I do appreciate when it does put pressure on me to know where I could go wrong. Instead of letting me fall into that trap, it will tell me, no, this is where you're gonna go wrong, so don't do this, do this instead. Then the speciality, what are they best at? Never does boundaries, right? So it will include the core truths, operating principles, session startup checklist, and a mission statement, right? So basically, we're giving away what we run our business with, and this is something I shouldn't be giving away, but I'm gonna give it to you guys for free, right? So you guys can get started up as well. Next file is the MEMORY.md file. Create a MEMORY.md with my context, my goal, projects. So what you should do is when you start, after you've put these prompts into your OpenClaw, you should start having a conversation with OpenClaw. Let it learn who you are. Tell it to ask you questions, what your goals are, what your visions, what your aspirations are, what your shortcomings are also. Like, because mine asked me what are my shortcomings, and it noted these. So where I fall short, it will pick up that slack and push me to do the tasks that need to be done daily, right? Then it also creates a heartbeat file, the HEARTBEAT.md, with this week's high priority tasks, current tasks, status, and reminders and deadlines. This is something you should be doing for your business. And if you want OpenClaw to be running your business or managing your business, this is something you're going to need. You're going to need tasks required daily, the status of those tasks, and deadlines for those tasks. Because if you're not doing those tasks and meeting those deadlines, you're really not going to get anywhere, right? Okay, so that's the quick way for you guys to bootstrap your OpenClaw to get it on the level of mine. I'm basically giving you guys our operating system that's been making us over $10,000 for at least the last year, consistently every month, right? We are about to scale at this point to, we don't know even how much we're going to be scaling to, but yeah, we're going to be increasing our monthly revenue. And yeah, so I'm literally giving you guys a 10K a month business plan and idea and operating system that you can use for free. All right, in our next video, we'll be looking at how you can set up your OpenClaw to automate one task for you. So we'll set up one agent to do one task and just get it done for you.